Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to another video. In this video, we are about to learn the exit point of letter Fa and letter Noon. So we have Fa with one dot at top, and we have Noon, Fa, and Noon. The letter Fa, it is pronounced from the front teeth and bottom lip. When the front teeth touches and presses the bottom lip, then the sound of fa comes out, like fa, fa, fa. Got it? And we have noon. So noon, the letter noon is being pronounced from the front edge of our tongue and front palate. Noon, noon. We are using the front edge of our tongue and we are using front palate as well. Noon, noon. This one is more clear. Fa, fa. Here we are using front teeth and bottom lip here. Fa. And after that we have noon. We are using front edge of our tongue and we are using front palate. Noon and fa. Say that with me now. Fa. This one. Noon, noon. I hope I made it clear for you, insha'Allah ta'ala. We have one more letter, which is letter Lod or Dod, inshallah. In next video, we're gonna do that one. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.